if you want to add users on your Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, then in that case you want to open settings. On the left side we're gonna scroll down in order to find accounts and backup, and then over here you should be able to find users. Of course this option can be enabled or disabled, but I assume that it is on. So now we can press add user over here, and we have some information about adding new user. So of course users have their own space which they can customize with their own apps. Of course the storage is generally speaking shared, there's no way to separate that, but we can have different wallpapers, different apps and so on and so forth, and we can contain different data with I assume own password. So over here we can also read that after you create a new user, that person needs to go through a setup process. So we'll have the initial configuration again, and if you go next, then of course we can choose the name, so we can set it up and press done. There we go, and we are adding new user. There we go, and we can easily switch to this new user, so let's do that, and we can choose setup now. And there we go, as you can see we do indeed have the welcome message, we have the initial configuration, so we will have to go through it to start using the new user. And that's pretty much it. So let me actually go through the initial configuration quickly. And there we go, we have completed the initial configuration. If you want to switch the user, you can, for example, go to the control center or quick settings. Over here at the top we have users, we can select the user and can easily switch to the other one. Of course, you will have to unlock the device in order to proceed. And you can also change the user in the lock screen, so if you have a wrong profile selected or wrong user is selected, then you can easily switch to the other one. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.